With the right habits and routine care, it's possible to enjoy your septic system for 30 years or more. It all comes down to smart maintenance, mindful water use, and understanding your system's needs. Start with a consistent maintenance schedule. Just like a car needs oil changes, a septic tank needs to be pumped on a dependable schedule. Instead of 3,000 to 5,000 miles, it's every 3 to 5 years. Routine inspections are just as important as pumping. A professional can check for early warning signs, like sludge buildup or worn baffles. Be mindful of everyday usage habits. Septic tanks are designed to handle wastewater at a steady, moderate pace. When too much water enters the system at once, your system doesn't have enough time to treat the wastewater. Spread out laundry loads, fix leaky faucets, and upgrade to high-efficiency fixtures. Septic systems are not trash cans. Only flush human waste and water. Protect the drain field above the ground. What happens on the surface affects what happens underground. Parking cars, boats, or heavy equipment in this area compacts the soil and shortens the lifespan of the septic system. Landscaping choices matter too. Grass prevents erosion without invasive roots. Trees and shrubs planted too close can send their roots into pipes. Consider Central Florida soil and groundwater. Florida's unique environment plays a major role in the longevity of a septic system. High groundwater levels, sandy soils, and frequent storms all influence how well a system performs. Homeowners can adapt by conserving water during wet weather and directing rainwater away from the drain field. Have a local company inspect your landscaping and yard. There are add-ons that can help. Know the warning signs. Slow drains, gurgling pipes, and soggy patches in the yard are all signals to call for help. A long-term investment worth protecting. A septic system is built to last, but it depends on the homeowner to treat it well. Advanced Septic Services helps local homeowners create maintenance plans tailored to their property and lifestyle. Call us today at 352-242-6100.